Get ready with me using my very own kit from Glow Recipe. This is my go-to summer skincare kit and I handpicked all 3 of these items. These are all travel size, so it's perfect if you just want to try out the product or for on the go. First, we have my favorite, which is the Watermelon Glow Toner. Then we have the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. And then we have the Hue Drops, which is a limited mini size that only comes in my kit. So first step, I always start off with my Watermelon Glow Toner. This hydrates my skin and refines my pores. Next, I'm going in with my Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. This gives me intense hydration throughout the whole entire day and also gives me a really pretty dewy finish. Finally, I'm going to be going in with my Hue Drops, which gives me the most beautiful warm glow. These are basically like the dewdrops but with a tint, which is so perfect for summer. And that is my 3-step summer skincare routine using my very own kit with Glow Recipe. This is available now in Sephora. Bye guys!